That's right, folks. It's the Vagrant's Valet, and today we're out on the streets helping out the homeless population wherever and whenever necessity dictates. Now, I see Gene up here. Gene is one of our homeless population guys. He's always refused help. He's never wanted a ride, but maybe we'll change that today. Let's see what's going on with Gene, and let's see right up here if we can help out. Hey, Gene. You doing all right, man?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. Did you get something to eat today?
I've been working on that. Trying to get
You want me to buy you a sandwich? Why don't you hop in?
Sure.
I'll get you something to eat. You in the mood for rallies, maybe?
Yeah.
What you have going on today?
Just trying to get back in housing, man.
Boy, how long have you been on the streets?
It's going probably like 6-7 months.
Oh, that long?
Yeah.
Where you been sleeping?
Just anywhere and everywhere.
Oh, look at this guy's gonna let us in. Look at this. The gods are smiling. Were you out in the cold when were you out in the cold when it was like -5?
Yeah, man, I was out for some in it. It was crazy too.
Well,
Slept up here. My bus on my garage up here. Slept out there for a couple days, man.
Was it at least out of the wind?
Yeah, it was actually. Yeah.
But when it's -5, why don't you go over to the shelter?
I tried to get over there, man, but every time I get over there, man, they was giving me the runaround. I didn't have space and all that.
Well, I don't know. I think they usually. I went over there the night it was like -5, and they said they had open beds. So when it's that cold, I mean, they don't turn people away, but it's not safe to be out when it's that cold.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Right.
So you really gotta, you really gotta watch that. Do you have some family or anybody who can help you out?
Yeah. My sister was gonna help me out too. Some clothes, man, something else.
How about a sourdough double melt? Does that sound good?
Yeah, is it good?
Yeah, it's my personal favorite. They got it advertised on the marquee, so keep us going. Well, so does your sister live around here?
She stays over on by Country View. I don't know where that is.
That's down that way, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit down that way. Down that way, close to the south side of town. She I was staying with her for a little bit, man. It got a little hectic, so.
She got some like husband or boyfriend, that kind of thing.
She got a husband, and she got some kids over there too.
Are the kids real rowdy?
Yeah, man, they're almost 14, 15 years old.
Oh, you know what? My sister, I have two little nieces. They like to get rowdy.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that I can believe it, because my niece, her daughter, she's only 15 and I knew when I went over there, she's behaving herself. But I know when they get by themselves or whatever, it's probably pretty hectic for her. I can tell right off the bat. No, she's probably just being good because she got company over.
What can I get you today?
Can I get one sourdough melt? That's it. They have you talking to a robot these days. Do.
It's 3:55. Thank you.
Okay.
Please pull up to the window.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Computer. So, do you come from a big family, or are your mom and dad around?
Yeah, my mom, she's around. My grandmother, I used to stay with her, man. It's pretty big, about 5 or 6 of us, kids, wife.
Well, do you need to use my phone to call them? Do you need to get in touch with them?
Sorry.
Because they're probably worried about you.
Yeah, that's all right. Yeah.
Okay. Do your parents live around here?
My mom, she stayed over on the east side of town. And you know where Kingston Manor is?
Kingston Manor?
Yeah.
Is that by Pigeon Hill?
It's no, it's east, going like toward the fire station or something. So she used to stay over there. But she's still over there now, but she's working on moving. So.
Do you ever go talk to them over at the Shalom Center? They've got a lot of resources. Do you know this dude?
I kind of know him. I don't really know him. I just know him from eating down here.
Yeah, he seems kind of like an unusual gentleman there. You doing all right, man?
Don't prove.
What's that?
When another man stand another man, but that's weird. That made me feel uncomfortable, bro.
I think maybe he's having a bad day.
I don't know this part. I mean,
Yeah.
I really like the dude, but I don't know. He's been just kind of talking back and forth, just on his own, so I don't know buggy.
Yeah, maybe he's had a couple cocktails there.
I hope not, because I don't want him to fucking come and jump in the car and try to pull anything, because...
I think he's harmless. So they can, the Monroe County Housing Authority, have you tried to get a place through them?
No, I just been trying to sign up with Section 8 because I got this caseworker over here named Hannah. She's been trying to set me up with stuff, but...
Who's Hannah? Is that your girlfriend?
No. She works over here at the salon center.
Is she like a caseworker type?
She works a caseworker over here for HealthNet or whatever.
Okay.
But that's just what she told me. So I mean, but she was trying to help me with like rapid housing and like, not really good job, but.
Well, the key to that rapid housing is you got to stay up on it, and you got to make sure you keep all your appointments.
Yeah.
And I can help you with that.
Yeah.
You know, whatever. What kind of help do you need? You need help with the paperwork, or? I know sometimes that gets kind of confusing.
No, I just been trying to stick to this job I had because I almost got on a Goodwill. I don't know if you know that's that.
Oh yeah.
And then they hired me, was gonna give me a job, and then lo and behold, when I go.
Hey, how are ya?
How are you?
I'm wonderful, James.
Double milk.
That's right, tasty and delightful. This is my buddy Gene here. We're just out enjoying a beautiful, what is it, Wednesday afternoon?
Valentine's Day.
Oh, it is Valentine's Day. They say beware the Ides of February. Nobody ever calls Valentine's Day the Ides of February, but it is in fact. Ding, ding. You know that dude?
I don't know neither. I don't really know a lot of them. I just know them by face, man. When they usually say hi, you just try to hook them up. I got a couple dollars. I just try to hook them up with a couple dollars, but other than that, I really don't. 45, be right out.
All right. So are the all right. Did we get a napkin there? There you go. One sourdough melt, and off we go. You can dig in. Yeah. It's smelling pretty good. Do you want me to where can I take you? Is there somewhere in particular you want to go, buddy, or?
A park's fine. I'll tell you at the park.
Okay. Let me, I'll just go ahead right over here. How's this look? Because I do have to get rolling. How's the sandwich? Okay. All right. Hey, I want you to look for me, Gene. When you see me out on the street, wave me down. You want a Diet Pepsi to wash that down with? Yeah. Look at that. Nectar of the gods.
Thank you.
All right. You got the handles around on all the way in back there. There you go. I'm working on getting the handle fixed. So. All right. The pleasure's mine. I want you to look for me, and don't sleep outside when it's freezing.
That's all right.
Okay.
Good.
All right, Gene. All right. I love you. See ya. Well, I've seen Gene around. He's always walking around with that blanket over his head. And I've talked to him a couple times, but this is the first time that he's actually gotten in the car. So we're making a little headway with Gene there. As you can see, he's got his wits about him. So he's a great candidate for somebody we can help get off the streets. And hey, if you like these videos, like, subscribe, leave me a comment. And now we are off to find the next person that we can help out.